Hello everyone, welcome to HPN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create conversational forms using WP Forms. Conversational forms are better than tedious traditional forms. Conversational forms are just like human-to-human conversations. Conversational forms help controlled communication between a man and a machine. Conversational forms are best in handling spam and inappropriate queries. With WP Forms Conversational Form add-on, you can convert your content or existing form into conversations. So, before I teach you how to create conversational forms using WP Forms, please subscribe my channel. This tutorial requires WP Forms Pro version installed and activated. If you haven't subscribed WP Forms yet, you may do so from the link in the description below. After installing and activating WP Forms Pro, you also need to activate Conversational Forms add-on. To do that, go to WP Forms from the dashboard, click on Add-on, then click on Install Add-on, and then click on Activate. Now, to create the conversational form from scratch, click on Add New, type a name for the form, and then click on Create a blank form. Now, drag the fields as required. In this example, I'll show you how to create a simple course enquiry conversational form. Please watch till end. Once you're done with adding fields, go to the settings, then click on Conversational Forms, then click on Enable Conversational Form Mode checkbox. Here you can select a color scheme, select the progress bar type, and also upload a logo for the conversational form. Click on the Save button to save the form. You could preview the form by clicking on Preview Conversational Form. Now click on the Start button to start the conversation. You could notice the progress bar at the bottom of the page. You may press the Enter key to go to the next question. Alternatively, you may also wind the middle wheel of the mouse to navigate between the questions. The very important thing to note down is that these forms should be accessed via the permalink only. You can place a button on a page or post that triggers this form when clicked. You could send this link to your audience via email. You may also add this permalink to the menu of your website. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you with another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching.